In today's post-pandemic world, the main issue will be health and safety. So it is very important that we protect both our customers and our staff. Nordic Hotel Forum has been reopened in August this year after a full renovation. All 258 hotel rooms, including conference centre and restaurants, have been fully refurbished. So we were looking for ways how to increase our guests' sense of well-being, and we found an Estonian startup company, Respiray, which was developing a wearable air purifier. When we talk about sales and marketing, it has been a very positive experience. Mentioning Respiray as an additional safety measure has created quite a lot of buzz and genuine interest. We've had many articles in the press and also social media, so now we are proud to be called the Corona safest hotel in Estonia.